Splunk just made a massive move, and if you're in DevOps, you cannot ignore this. Splunk's latest upgrades redefines how you debug CI/CD pipelines, monitor Kubernetes clusters, and secure your cloud apps, all in one platform. Let's unpack why Splunk's new features might finally make it your go-to tool in 2026. Splunk's newest release supercharges Kubernetes and CI/CD observability. Ever felt like your deployment logs are a black box? With the enhanced Kubernetes log integration, Splunk now shows exactly where your microservices crashed and why, without you having to tail a dozen pods. Key upgrades include unified CI/CD monitoring dashboard, one place to see build failures, rollout status, and container logs. Smarter Kubernetes context awareness to understand pod relationships and pinpoint bottlenecks instantly. 30% faster log indexing, because slow queries during an incident are a nightmare. But Splunk didn't stop at logs, they've doubled down on cloud security too. Their updated enterprise security models now include real-time anomaly detection on AWS, Azure, and GCP workloads. And with the new AI-driven analytics stories, you can catch suspicious behavior before they take down your systems. So what's hot with Splunk? Expanded cloud threat content, so you're not flying blind on cloud security. Analytics story assistant to instantly deploy security detections tailored to your environment. Streamlined incident response UI, because clicking through 20 tabs kills your mean time to recover. Here's why these upgrades are a big deal for DevOps engineers and even SREs. There's more CI/CD clarity, skip the guesswork during failed builds, cloud security confidence, detect unauthorized changes faster, operational speed, faster queries mean you find issues before they snowball. Splunk isn't just a log aggregator anymore. It's a full-blown DevOps and SecOps platform designed for modern cloud-native environments. Whether you're a startup or enterprise, these features can save you hours per week troubleshooting and responding to incidents. Splunk is evolving from legacy tool to the next-gen DevOps powerhouse. If you want to master modern observability, secure your cloud stack, and build bulletproof deployments, I cover this in my hands-on course, including real-world Splunk dashboards for Kubernetes and CI/CD. Link in the description. What part of Splunk's evolution excites you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and hey, if you learned something today, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives and the latest DevOps tools.